Ho'p, assalomu alaykum. Bugun bizda hiking international people, ya'ni shu boshqa davlatlardan kelgan birga o'qigan sheriklar bilan bu yoqda universitetimizda adashmasam 2-3 kun oldin aytib qolishdi menga. Mana qiz gaplashib qolganimizda, короче, hiking bor yakshanba kuni. Bu hiking uni o'zbekchada bilmadim. Tog'da, toqqa chiqish xullas. Inglizchada shu hiking deyiladi, o'zbekchada bilmadim tarjimasi bormi yo'qmi. Shu toqqa ketyapmiz aylanishga, agar xohlasang, borsang. Hozir biza sherigimiz mashinada kelib olib ketish kerak, o'shani kutyapmiz. Annyeonghaseyo. Vlogging for my YouTube channel.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
I forgot my other phone. Oh wait, did I bring my okay.
Yo'l-yo'lakay qolganini ham ko'rsatib yuboramiz.
Your car.
I've got my license over here. 누나 차 타고 가는 게 나을 것 같은데. 왜냐면 제 차 작아요.
Yeah, let's go.
작아요.
Вот, mashinamiz ham yetib keldi. Three of us. Sekin yo'lga chiqamiz.
Good morning.
Morning. 안녕하세요.
Do we put these things in the back then? In the back? In the truck. Okay.
Let's do it up.
Oh, this healthy woman.
Spaceship. 트렁크 공간 넓어요.
We're gonna go to
Yeah.
spaceship.
야,
배 타고 가는 줄 알았어요?
세kin yo'lga chiqamiz.
디파인이 그랬는데. Since
Let's go.
I don't wanna sit in the middle. In the middle.
I'm in the middle.
I'm really sitting in the front. You sure, guys?
Yes, of course.
You want?
We're gonna record so you can see.
You can see it.
You can sit in the front.
Three of us like sit it in the back. I think we are gonna lost on the way today.
We have fun trip.
Oh really? Yeah, we did.
Technology.
Yeah.
Technology.
Technology.
But there's no address here. 없어. 네이버.
So you are 29 in Korean, right?
You are.
You are.
No, I'm not.
She does her turn.
I'm 25.
25.
When in doubt.
I am 29 in Korean age.
Yeah.
But good thing is Korean age doesn't exist anymore.
Yeah.
Yes. Exactly.
My Korean age was 20. Yeah, 28. Yeah. So.
I think we are in the same age.
Yeah. 98.
Yes.
Nice. Okay. With a dong sings today.
Guys, are you wearing seatbelts? You guys?
You are in the back.
Technology. Yeah.
Yeah, but I can hold the phone. Give me the phone. Hi, I'm Thea. This is Kyunghee. And just the voice, not important.
Say all of them like to follow my channel.
Yeah.
Follow Karim's channel.
Like
Not him, but his channel.
Oh.
What do you do?
Wow, it's inside right here.
Buy me dinner first, alright?
Did you? Are you feeling uncomfortable?
Like, who's gonna buckle up this man? Yes.
Go.
Good.
What did you say?
The seatbelt in the back
What
is
did you say?
in Korea.
Ah.
That's Korea.
What
You
did
have, you have
He
R.
said-
No, I
You
said
said-
Neptune. E.
Eraser.
Eraser. R.
R.
Range?
Range.
E.
E.
Like Range Rover.
Electricity.
Electricity.
Y.
Y. Oh, yard.
Yard. D.
Yeah.
Wow, this is good.
Disgusting. G.
Oh, iPhone doesn't have this. Oh my god, I'm shaking too much.
Good. G-O-O-D. D again.
Samsung, girl.
Do you want me to stop recording?
Oh, you all have the
Yeah.
iPhone.
When in Rome.
Oh.
Huh? What did you say?
When in Rome, have a Samsung. So like we're in Korea.
I don't know what you're talking about.
We say like you're in Korea, so you should have a Samsung.
Can you continue the game?
We said good.
Good?
Yes.
Kyunghee's your turn. Apparently.
Okay. Me, didims?
I was gonna say the same thing.
Didimsi?
S.
Social.
Social.
Lazy.
Lazy.
Why? Yesterday.
Yesterday. Yawn.
Yawn.
An.
N. Youngie?
Yeah? What was
N.
it? N?
Yes. Yawn.
Is it good angle, Kari?
It's great. Yeah.
No.
No?
Oh.
Every day.
4.
3.
No, don't do that.
Wait.
That was xylophone.
Yeah, xylophone. That's all everyone knows with X. A xylophone, X-ray, or
X-ray.
what's the other one? I don't know. Eczema. No.
Why did you guys count?
I know 2 words with X. I'm done.
Yeah, I don't know many words starting with the X.
Yeah, that's one. Okay, I'll try this one round. Now we're gonna do it with food.
Food.
Only food.
Only
But
food.
we don't know.
Because like usually when you think with any word, it's difficult because you think of any word that you can imagine. Now when it's specific to only food, you kind of have like more of a
The
close
thing
knit
is,
level.
what if it's a Georgian food?
That's fine. Like also Korean food works. So you can say tteokbokki, you can say takalbi, you can say
Okay.
gauri.
I'm gonna lose again, but okay.
Let me begin.
But the food includes just the fruits as well, yes?
Yeah, fruits, vegetables,
vegetables,
foods,
okay.
everything works there. Okay, I'll start. Banana.
Banana.
A.
Apple.
E.
E.
I'm so not ready for this.
E.
Yeah. Oh, also side note, when it gets to I sometimes, you can say like iced Americano, iced latte, iced tea.
Are we insane right now?
It's hard with I. You say it now, you'll see. Okay, so apple with an E.
We're not counting on Kyunghee. He's thinking for like 2 minutes.
He's driving.
You know what? Here!
Alright, E.
진짜 모르겠어.
Oh, that's hard to find. There's one place in Seoul. They have this one restaurant called Rare Republic.
Wow, so pretty.
Oh, I missed the time when I was when I was a freshman. I joined. One person was very nice. No matter no matter how I have money, she will not mind about that. But
Hop, biz yetib keldik. Manzilimizga yetib keldik. Whatever. Manzara lekin chotki, manzaraga gap yo'q. Chetgacha mashinada chiqib keldik. Bu yoqda parking bor ekan. Qolganiga pishkom ketamiz. Love the view. Yetib kelishdi. Yana qancha yuramiz tepalikka bilmadim. No, Qorachi mashdan tepaga chiqib ketar ekanmiz. Tepada muzikalar eshitilyapti, cho'ta. Betga haligi tarki dunyo qilganlar kelarmikan bilmadim. Tepada muzika ovozlari eshitilyapti. Hozir bir chiqib ko'ramiz. Eng qizig'i havo zo'r bo'lyapti. Havo lekin rosa haykingga mos havo.
because if I won't be
4 kishi, men bilan 5 kishi keldik. Bitta mashin, bu yoqda ham bilmayman 7-8 ta odam menimcha. Bitta men o'zbek, bitta Afrikadan bor, Georgiyadan bu qiz, ikkalasi koreys. Bu mashinada ham asosan menimcha koreyslar, yana 2-3 ta boshqa millatlar bor.
Yes.
Take a video. We should all stand here.
Yeah, are we taking pictures?
You're a photographer.
almost same. Yeah, but stuck together.
Where are they? Oh, mana bu yerda bunaqa ham bor ekan. Kinolarda dingillatishardi-ku. Mana bu yerga lekin dingillatmang deb yozib qo'yibdi mana. Chidimasayo. Bu anaqa buddistlar ibodatxonasimi bilmayman.
Your nice kitty.
Tushib ketmaslik uchun to'siqlarni qo'yib, shu tomoni juda yoqadi Koreyani. Farqi yo'q, qaysi toqqa borsangiz, tog'ning tepasiga chiqish uchun alohida yo'llar bor. Chiroyli yo'l qilib qo'yishgan. Zo'r. O'ta zo'r. Mana brat yo'l-yo'laki yo'lni ham tozalab ketyapti. Qancha yurib qo'ydik.
Depending on the location.
Bu yoqda turbina bor ekan. Manzarani tomosha qilgan.
Yeah, I don't.
Bizda hali yo'l uzoq. Eng qizig'i hozir quyosh chiqib turadi. Qor yog'yapti. Aprel o'zi bu yoqda hali qorlar erimagan ekan. Tog'larning usti hali qor edi ekan. Salom quyosh chiqib turadi. Вот, quyosh. No. Biz turgan joyda dona-donalab. No, menimcha ko'rinyapti, вот. Bu yoqqa qaratsam. Mana. Biz turgan joyda qor boshladi.
We here. Yeah, we are here and here. One about it. We are here now.
Bu yoqda karta ekan.
And on the website, our target.
Yo'llar qaysi tomonga borish.
Yeah, let's go to back.
Lekin
Yeah, right here.
qor ham tezlashdi. Tog' tepasiga chiqqanimiz sari shabada ham kuchayyapti. Bu yoqlarda qor. Latta bayla ketishdi, pletlar. Qor yog'yapti ham bu yoqda.
Maybe you are stronger than your arm and
Wow. We did it. We did it.
Just fat.
when did you start?
Also, you are taking a video for TikTok. when you were dancing right there. Chorchi. Yeah. Eng tepasida ekanmiz. Aşağıdan qor beri yotibdi ama. Wow.
Do you want a picture?
Me? Over there? Maybe yes. Qor yana ham tezlashdi. Wow. Aprelning o'rtasida mana sizlarga qor. Eng qizig'i, uje biz pastga tushib bo'ldik. Pastga tushishimiz bilan mana yana quyosh, uje bulutlar ham yo'q. Hop, ovqatlangani keldik. Bitta mashhur oshxona bor ekan masjidda. Biz kelgan. Odam o'ta ko'p. O'chirt kutib turibmiz joy bo'shasin. Joy yo'q. Bu yoqlarda shuncha oshxona bor, lekin masjid juda mashhur ekan. Shu yerda yeymiz deyishyapti. Shunga joy yo'q. Joy bo'shashini kutib turibmiz o'chirtda. Menga qolsa farqi yo'q, ko'chada bitta magazinda ham bu narsa yeb ketaveraman endi. Ash deyisharkan endi nima qilamiz, kutamiz. Ichkariga ham biz kirib oldik. O'chirtda turib hammamiz o'tiribmiz. Bu joyda mashhur odamlar kelib, shu joy o'zi mashhurligiga Twitterda ham chiqqan ekan, MBC kanalida chiqqan, bu yoqda SBS degan kanal ham bor. Shu koreyskiy kanal. Shu televideniyalardan kelib, bu yoqda videoga ham ko'rsatuv qilib alohida chiqarishgan ekan, ovqatlardan tatib ko'rib. No, hozir ovqatgacha yana ko'rsatamiz. Yaxshi joyga o'xshayapti. Eng qizig'i o'zbek peshlar ekanlar bu yoqda. Endi bilmadim, yoshi kattaroqqa o'xshadi, barcha koreyska erga tegib kelgan o'zbeklardan. Shu ovqat kelsa yana ko'rsatamiz. Ovqatimiz ham keldi. Xolochi mana ko'rinishi. Mana bitta lag'mon ekan, qanaqadir ustida tuxum. Bu yoqda kimbap. Bu yoqda gali kelmabdi, stolniki ham keldi. U ana kelyapti.
It's good.
It's so good. I love that.
Man. It's so good. I like it.
Keyinroq aytamiz. Bizning safarimiz ham qaradi. Sekin o'zimiz shaharga qaytyapmiz. 92 kilometr ko'rsatyapti. 92 kilometr 2:17 ga yetib borasizlar deyapti. Nasib, Xudo xolasa. Yaxshi, zo'r kun bo'ldi. Keyingi hiking adashmasam 2 haftadan keyingi, undan keyingi haftaga men o'zimda plan bor hikingga chiqish. Keyingi haftaga nasib. No, bu sostav, bu anaqa odamlar, yana boshqa odamlar ham qo'shilib qolishi mumkin. Ular bilan Xudo xolasa 2 haftadan keyinga plan qilinyapti. Nasib, unda yana video olib, Xudo xolasa joylaymiz. Keyingilarda shuncha